Here everyone, and first of all take your stationery out, and here are some warm-up questions for you guys, and start doing using the formula that we did earlier in the last videos. Thank you. I'm gonna give you some couple of seconds to do that. Okay, so 4 times 4 square. We did in our exercise, that is, I can refer it x raised to the power a times x raised to the power b, that is x a plus b. Now we're gonna use the formula 4 times 4 square is 4. If you don't see any number, we're gonna put 1 here, so 1 plus 2, that is 4 cube, and 4 cube is 64. Check your answer. Now, in our second question, the question is 5 raised to the power 9 divided by 5 raised to the power 7. We're going to use the formula x raised to the power a or x raised to the power b, x a minus b, because letters will divide by itself and we take away the powers. Now we're gonna, what we do, 5, 9 take away 7, that is 5 square, 5 square is 25. Now we're gonna do today our third formula. Its name is powers of powers, right? So the question is x raised to the power a. Look, x in bracket a, bracket close, and you see the little power again, b. 2 powers with the 1 letter. What we gonna do, we just remove the bracket first of all, then we gonna times the power and keeping the letter as it is. And repeating again, if you see 2 little number on the top with the letter, then you times them or you times the power. And we're gonna call it the power indices as well. So here's the question. You see, x raised to the power 7 times 3, right? What we did, 7 times 3, that is 21. We're going to do it here as same as. So that means we're going to times the power. What you see here, x raised to the power 2 and in the power 4. We're going to use the power. I'm just replacing the AB with 2 and 4. So that means x raised to the power 2 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8. Easy? No. Here you just see only 1 letter. That's an extension question. You see 2 letters. 2 letters, 2 different powers, and 1 power outside, right? What we're gonna do, our first step is to separate the powers. And first of all, you mean x square. If you don't see any sign or operation, you're gonna times them. That means x square, we're gonna separate it, right? That means y right? I just separate the powers, right? Now we can use the formula x raised to the power a times b. We can apply here x raised to the power 2 times 2 is 4 times, now we're going to put times y 3 raised to the power 2 is 6. Right? Our answer is x4 y 6. Check your answer. I just separate the letters and use the same formula that we did in our first question. Now, my third question is xy in bracket power 2. Different one, but use the same formula. You see no numbers on the top, and as I said, first of all, if you see no numbers, we're going to put 1 here, 1 and 1, right? Again, we're going to separate the variables or letters. X 1, oh, sorry, look, x 1 in bracket 2, y 1 in bracket 2, and you know 1 times 2 is 2, and y 1 times 2 is 2. So that means the answer is x square y square. So the same formula we did in our last question. So please note it in your book. I have put some questions on your OneNote. Check your answers and write and note it on your book. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Say bye.